Mastering Possessive Pronouns in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we are diving into the realm of possessive pronouns. Understanding these will enhance your fluency and make your English communication more natural. So, let's get started. Possessive pronouns are a part of English grammar that shows ownership or a relationship to something else. They replace the noun in a sentence, enabling us to avoid repetition and making our speech and writing more concise. They are very similar to possessive adjectives, but there's a key difference. Possessive pronouns stand alone, whereas possessive adjectives modify a noun. Here are some examples of possessive pronouns: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. They would be used in sentences like, "This book is mine. The choice is yours. The dog wagged its tail." Note how each of these possessive pronouns can stand alone, replacing the noun and showing ownership. Correct usage of possessive pronouns is key to sounding natural in English. They typically come after the verb in a sentence. Look at this sentence. That car is hers. The verb is followed by the possessive pronoun, hers. Sometimes, possessive pronouns can be used before the verb when used in short responses. Whose book is this? It's mine. Remember, possessive pronouns always replace a noun and stand alone. Now, let's tackle some common mistakes learners often make with possessive pronouns. One common mistake is confusing its, the possessive pronoun, and its, the contraction of it is or it has. For example, correct, the cat licked its paw. It shows possession. Incorrect, the cat licked its paw. Its is a contraction of it is or it has. Another common error is using an apostrophe with the possessive pronoun, yours. Remember, it's always yours, not yours. Well, that wraps up our lesson on possessive pronouns. Remember, these are important for showing ownership and relationships in English, and they help you to avoid repetition, making your speech and writing more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and soon, using possessive pronouns will be second nature. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video has been helpful in mastering the usage of possessive pronouns. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English grammar, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!